In this video, we're going to show you exactly how to configure SuiteDash for seamless contract management so you can streamline your workflow and save time on important business tasks. If you're tired of manually managing contracts and are looking for a more efficient solution, stick around, because by the end of this video, you'll be able to leverage SuiteDash to automate and simplify your contract management process. And yes, I'll also reveal some alternatives you might want to consider, so keep watching. The first thing you'll want to do is set up your client portal. In SuiteDash, the client portal is key to making your contract management process smooth and easy. Once you create a client account, you can upload documents, set up automated reminders, and keep everything organized in one place. This helps prevent any misplaced contracts or forgotten deadlines. Next thing, go into the Contracts section of SuiteDash. This is where you can create custom templates for your contracts. Whether you're working with new clients or managing existing ones, having templates saves you a lot of time. You can include all your standard terms and conditions and customize the document to fit your specific needs, all while ensuring consistency in your agreements. The third thing to look at is the e-signature feature. Instead of printing, signing, scanning, and emailing contracts, SuiteDash allows your clients to sign contracts digitally within the platform. This is especially helpful when you're managing multiple clients at once and need to close deals faster. Plus, it's legally binding, so there's no need to worry about compliance issues. Now, let's talk about automating your workflow. SuiteDash integrates with automation tools that let you send contracts automatically when certain conditions are met. For example, you can set it up so that when a new project is created, an automatically generated contract is sent to the client for e-signature. This takes a huge load off your plate, ensuring that nothing slips through the cracks. The fifth thing to keep in mind is the reporting functionality. SuiteDash gives you detailed reports on your contracts, from how long they've been sitting and signed to which clients have not yet signed. This is a powerful feature if you're juggling multiple contracts and need to prioritize follow-ups. And finally, SuiteDash does have its strengths, but it's not perfect. While it's a solid tool for many businesses, some people find it a bit complex to set up initially. The user interface could be smoother, and the customization options for contracts could be more flexible. You might even find it lacking in integrations with some other tools, which could limit your ability to expand beyond SuiteDash. Now, if you're wondering if there are better alternatives, we've got you covered. There are other tools out there, such as PandaDoc and DocuSign, which offer more user-friendly contract management and enhanced integration with other business software. While SuiteDash has great features, these alternatives might be more suitable depending on the complexity of your contract management needs. But here's the good news. Through our exclusive link, you'll not only get access to SuiteDash's extended free trial, but also to some of these alternatives, along with exclusive benefits only available to our viewers. If you're looking for a solution that simplifies contract management without the headache, be sure to check out the options below and choose the one that works best for you. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to click the link in the description for the best free trial and get started today with contract management done right.